talk about how you can get the Training Grounds action plan assigned to other members of your team. When you are logged into your Supered account, you'll come into Packages, and you will locate the package entitled Supered League Training Grounds Consultants if you're a Supered partner. You'll view a package, and you will install it. Once it's installed, it will bring you to the package setup page of the package, and you'll be able to assign the plan. You'll come into Assign Plan, and in this drop-down right here, it will give you all of the users that you have within your Supered account. So long as your team member has been invited to their Supered account, you're able to assign them this action plan. So you'll select the name and you'll hit Add. This is if you want to assign one-to-one. So meaning if you want to assign one user to one action plan, you will give just the one name here and you'll save assignments. If you're wanting to assign the action plan to multiple users, so you have multiple users on one singular action plan, you will select an add and select the others and add. So everyone listed on this screen right here is on a singular action plan.